So I want you to consider this before you go out and get business credit cards. I know you hear about a lot of different places online that talk about credit unions and all these different things. Yes, you can get 0% interest credit cards. It's very easy to do. A lot of people don't even know that exists, but it's a real thing. I have a ton of them. But 0% interest does not mean that you have a lot of different perks. So you can get a 0% interest card, but you are missing out on miles. Or you can get a 0% interest card, but you're missing out on points. So what's your ultimate goal? That's what I would look at. Like, what are you looking to get the cards for? Are you just looking to get a limit and then have 0% and that's it? Or are you looking to fly for free or travel for free and get free hotels and a lot of different free perks? Are you looking to get into exclusive lounges at airports? There's a lot of different things that you got to think about whenever it comes to getting credit cards, because every credit card is not the same. Every credit card has different benefits to it and different points. You know, there's a lot of different things that go into deciding which type of credit cards to get. You can't just go out and shotgun to a whole bunch of different places and, you know, hope that you just get something good. Instead, I would say you should be very strategic in what you do. Like for me personally, I always have my gold cards and my platinum cards. I have a lot of American Express because American Express cards that I have, they give a lot of points. I have a hotel card with American Express that I can get free rooms and I can get 4 times the points. So I'll use my personal platinums and my business platinums for certain things, and I use my personal golds for like groceries and eating out because you get 4 times the points on that. But there's a lot of different reasons why you want to get specific credit cards, and also consider you're building a relationship with the bank or the institution that you get the cards with. So let's say, for instance, you go with Chase. Chase is a really good bank. They give out really good credit cards with really good limits. So I would recommend you building a relationship with Chase by getting one of their credit cards. Whoa, 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 whoa! Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Now, their cards give points as well. I have a ton of different Chase cards with a ton of different points with Chase, but I also have other cards that give me free flights. So it's really just determining what your ultimate goal is. Are you looking for points? Are you looking for flights? Are you looking for cash back? Because there's a lot of cash back cards as well. It really depends on what you're looking for. So that's what I would say. Be very strategic on what you're looking for.